What's up, guys? So we try to look today for the traditional music for Inuit people. It's a kind of a traditional song from Inuit people in here in Nunavut, Iqaluit. I love to hear this song, kind of music they produce, and I hope you like this video too. And would like to credit to them, and very surprised, and I was amazed. For Inuit people, they type traditional songs. Let's see. Wow. If you can see, guys, there is I don't know what it's a type of instrument is that they playing. You know, guys, that is based on my based on my searching Google. You know, that kind of drum they're using is, they call that kilaut. Kilaut. It's I don't know how it's the right pronunciation. That is a traditional drum they uses. It's a wooden frame drum traditionally made with the caribou skin. Mostly they use a caribou skin for that kind of drum. You know, that the black one that they cover in the circle something. It's made for caribou skin. It's kind of animal, like, you know, reindeer. It's like something like that. I can show you the picture here. And the way they make it sound, they hit in the edge of the frame, right? If you can see them, guys. Wow. It's amazing. Guys. I like all I know. So I hope you like it, guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye.